In this video, we listed the 5 best RC cars that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WayEee Brushless RC Car. The upgraded brushless RC truck offers an exhilarating experience with speeds up to 35 miles per hour, powered by dual 7.4V 1500 mAh rechargeable batteries for extended playtime. Designed for extreme terrain, it features a robust 4-pole high-torque brushless motor, durable steel drivetrain, and metal differential gears, ensuring exceptional performance. The advanced remote control system provides a range of 100 to 150 meters and allows for precise maneuvers, including drifting and wheelie stunts. This customizable hobby-grade car includes modular components for easy upgrades, an eye-catching RGB light strip, and is built for rugged adventures with its all-terrain capabilities. The comprehensive set comes with essential accessories and safety features for convenience, while maintenance instructions and customer service support ensure a satisfying user experience. Number 2. LAEGENDARY 110 Scale 4x4 Off-Road RC Truck. The LAEGENDARY remote control car is a hobby-grade 110 scale RC truck designed for speed, durability, and non-stop excitement. Equipped with a brushed motor that uses wound wire coils as a 2-pole electromagnet, it delivers high-powered performance with speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, powered by lithium rechargeable batteries that last up to 40 minutes. Its 2-speed remote control offers a comfortable grip and long-range maneuverability of up to 250 feet, making it easy to handle for both beginners and seasoned RC enthusiasts. Built for adventure, this waterproof 4x4 off-road truck conquers sand, concrete, and rugged terrain with expert grip and durability. Perfect as a cool gift for teens, adults, and RC lovers alike, this monster truck is ready to roll right out of the box. For technical details and the most recent user manual, simply scroll down to their technical specification section. And if you ever need assistance, the LAEGENDARY team is always ready to help. Number 3. Haiboxing 1/18 Scale All-Terrain RC Car. The Haiboxing 1/18 Scale All-Terrain RC Car, Model 18859, is a high-performance 4WD electric truck built for speed, durability, and all-terrain fun. Powered by a robust brushed RC380 motor with an efficient drivetrain, it reaches thrilling speeds of up to 36 km per hour, backed by hobby-grade features like classic ball bearings, solid gear differentials, and independent suspension. Its 2.4 GHz full-function proportional remote control ensures stable handling with a range of up to 280 feet, offering responsive forward, brake, and reverse commands. Waterproof electronic components make it ready for action on grass, gravel, and concrete, while a flexible PVC body and high-grip off-road tires enhance durability and traction. This RC truck comes with 2 rechargeable 7.4V LiPo batteries, 1 pre-installed, and a USB charger, delivering up to 40 minutes of runtime for uninterrupted play. With 99% ready-to-run convenience, just unbox and hit the track immediately. Perfect as an exciting and affordable gift for both kids and adults, this Haiboxing RC monster truck promises endless outdoor fun, plus, replacement parts are readily available on Amazon for easy maintenance. Number 4. Go H16BM RC Cars. The Go H16BM 1/16 brushless RC truck is powered by a Hobby 2845 4200 kV 4-pole high-torque motor with a metal heatsink and dual cooling fans, paired with an independent receiver and 45A escape for upgradable performance. Its all-metal drivetrain, including gears, differential, 5.5mm axles, and M4 nuts, ensures durable and efficient for WD power distribution, while 16 ball bearings minimize power loss for smoother handling. Built with a honeycomb chassis reinforced by front and rear zinc metal plates and adjustable pull rods, this truck withstands heavy impacts, with a 2.1 kg F.cm torque 3-wire servo delivering reliable control across various terrains. The improved flame retardant battery casing adds safety, while pre-mounted sponge insert tires and oil-filled shocks reduce vibration and improve stability during high-speed runs, jumps, and stunts. With a 2S 7.4V 1050 mAh LiPo battery, it reaches 27+ miles per hour, 45 km per hour, while a 3S 11.1V LiPo unlocks speeds of 42+ miles per hour, 68 km per hour, in optimal conditions. Perfect for wheelies, backflips, and off-road racing, this RC truck comes with a 2.4 GHz 3-channel radio featuring light bar control and a 70% throttle limit switch, making it both beginner-friendly and performance-ready. Number 5. ZD Racing 112 Brushless Fast RC Cars. Their high-speed RC car features a Rocket 2845 brushless motor capable of reaching speeds up to 42 miles per hour, 70 km per hour, powered by dual 3S 2200 mAh LiPo batteries for an exhilarating driving experience. Its industrial-grade durability is highlighted by a full metal drivetrain, CNC machined steel differential, and oil-damped suspension, ensuring efficient power transfer and resilience against high-impact crashes. Designed for all-terrain dominance, it includes adjustable hydraulic shocks and off-road tires that provide superior grip on mud, sand, grass, and uneven surfaces. Safety is prioritized with a smart protection system that offers overheating alerts, low-voltage cutoff, and overcurrent protection, ensuring long-term reliability for adult hobbyists. The ready-to-race configuration features a 2.4 GHz remote control with customizable settings and adjustable speed modes for precision handling, making it ideal for competitive racing. Users should note that the remote requires for AA batteries, not included, and must be adjusted above 25 to operate, with specific charging instructions for the battery to prevent depletion.